Welcome to this demonstration for heavy equipment next generation design. Heavy equipment relies on welding of metal parts in the whole assembly. Here we work on the front fender bracket. The engineer has created the basic shape of the part. Now it's time to add the required industry-specific welds. Discover a dedicated mechanical connection toolset that includes welds of all the industry-relevant kinds into the assembly. Define welds of several kinds between profiles, solids and sheet metal parts in large portions of the assembly. In a very efficient way, you can introduce 3D representations of welds compliant with all industry standards in the parts and assemblies of your product. Because welds and sealers are modeled as solid bodies, they can be used in CAE analysis tools and early in the development process. This allows for the detection of manufacturing problems such as interferences and manufacturability. By having welds as features and bodies in the parts and assemblies added, the overall weight is up to date, and this is especially useful when it's important for the overall product design. Thanks to the parametric nature of the weld features, this also saves time while executing design changes. From all the defined mechanical connections, you can review a report for all of the defined welds, and this information can be passed to the controller of the robot or programmable machinery to create these welds in the manufacturing plants.